Hey there everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I have some exciting news for you. I've discovered a fantastic website called appq.com that offers free gold bars for Candy Crush. Yes, you heard it right. Free gold bars. Stick around as we explore how you can unlock unlimited gold bars to enhance your Candy Crush experience. As you can see, guys, I have 0 gold bars for the moment. Let's dive in, guys. First things first, open your browser and type appq.com. Make sure to write it right. This incredible website is designed to provide you with a seamless and effortless way to obtain free gold bars for Candy Crush and many other apps. Let me walk you through the process step by step. All you have to do is to type in the name of the game on the search bar. In our case, we're looking for Candy Crush Saga. Then the game will appear just below, and you will have to click on it. Once you're going to click on it, this will appear, and you will click on this button below Download Now to have access to it. You will have to wait for some few seconds until it's download, which is completely normal. Once it's downloaded, we will click on the Boot and Start mod, which will take us to another page. All what you have to do is to enter your game username that you are actually using. For my case is Rita's. Next, you will choose the device you play on and the amount of gold bars that you want to purchase. For my case, I will go with 80,000 gold bars. We will wait for some few seconds until it's downloaded. We are almost done, guys. It's the last and the most important part. You have to do human verification. It's really simple. You will click on the Verify button and then you will be asked to choose one of the offers. I will go for the first one, for example. You can choose any one of them. No problem. Next, you have to answer their questions. You can do it randomly, and it will work, guys. And finally, you will be asked to enter your email address and click on Continue. That's it. I waited for like 5 minutes, and then I opened the game. Like you see, guys, all the resources has been added. Thank you for watching, you guys. I will be making other videos for you. Stay tuned.